So I also linking my backend with Excel file. So every time there's a sales transaction or order or adjustment, all those activities is gonna also reflect on the Excel file. So once the data is refreshed on the Excel files, it's gonna be also automatically generate the report for me. So let me create new items. So now I'm going to create new item, maybe Y, then maybe test running with 2, then maybe saving, and then maybe bottom, and then it's going to be active, second, and let me see, I have a picture of a Y, and I have a picture, and then here's the picture of the Y, maybe 1, 5, there's the barcode. So I'm going to create new item called Y here. So this is the Y. So click on it. So let's see. So this is the Y that I have. So all this. So I can also check out Y that one the barcode. So I want a 1,000 Y, maybe 10,000, 10,000 part of Y for a store maybe. So I can check out the product. Let's say I want to pay maybe 3. Or I should just pay 2. Print that, no change, good. Under reports, so I can check out what is the sales for today. So today's day, so I just sold 10,000 wine today. So let's see, let me check the my Excel file. So here I don't have a category called wine or any wine here, no wine. So I'm going to refresh the data. I'm going to refresh all. So now it's done. Let me check it. So if I search wine, I should have yes, wine here. Good. So this is all the item. Category is also wine. So let me see. Let me see if I can refresh. Yes. So wine is here. I got the data. Everything is updated. I have a new category called wine. So same thing, just in case you want the number here. Copy the formulas. Yeah.